Hey there, fellow moneymakers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting video for you all about turbocharged profits and beginner-friendly businesses that will skyrocket your success in 2023. Get ready for some incredible money hacks that will change the game for you. Let's dive in. Our first beginner-friendly business is dropshipping. This is a fantastic way to start making money online with minimal upfront investment. In dropshipping, you act as the middleman, selling products from suppliers directly to customers. With the help of popular e-commerce platforms and Chat's insights, you can find profitable products, set up an online store, and maximize your profits. Get ready to ride the wave of e-commerce success. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. This is a brilliant business model that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. With Chat's recommendations, you can discover top-notch affiliate programs and learn strategies to create engaging content that drives sales. Get ready to leverage your online presence and turn it into a passive income stream. Are you looking for an easy way to make some extra cash? Look no further than online surveys. Companies are constantly seeking valuable consumer insights, and they're willing to pay for them. With Chat's guidance, you'll discover the best survey platforms, learn how to optimize your survey-taking skills, and boost your earnings. It's time to turn your opinions into dollars. If you're a social media enthusiast, why not turn your passion into profit? Social media management is a rapidly growing field, and with Chat's tips and tricks, you'll become a pro at managing online presence for businesses. From creating engaging content to scheduling posts and analyzing performance, you'll be able to offer your services to clients and boost their social media game while making money. Last but not least, we have freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing is a fantastic business opportunity. With Chat's assistance, you can refine your writing skills, find lucrative writing gigs, and establish a thriving freelance career. From blog posts to website copy, the demand for quality content is always high. It's time to unleash your inner wordsmith and start making money through your passion for writing. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 beginner-friendly businesses that will turbocharge your profits in 2023. Whether you choose dropshipping, affiliate marketing, online surveys, social media management, or freelance writing, there's a wealth of opportunities waiting for you. Don't forget to apply Chat's insights and stay ahead of the competition. Get ready to rock the world of money making. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and keep those profits soaring.